Hello guys, I'm Ahaling Fairs. To tell you in this tutorial how to remove permanently iCloud activation lock links from any iPhone device above 10x. Yes, this device is locked to owner, so that we can see here. We would like to show you with close. Let's see, check it out here. It's taking time. Now it's locked to owner, so that we can see here. So what's the easy solution? Either it is locked to owner, blacklisted, stolen mode in each situations. How do you especially, without doing a jailbreaks at your homes, how do you unlock? So with the help of laptop and PC, we will see live here. This is the second device that I'm locking today. Similar strategy you will have to apply, and of course you will be able to unlock it. So first and foremost, we will have to access by virtue of iTunes, and let's check it out. What's after accessing the data by virtue of iTunes, what's the messages are coming, especially on this device. If iTunes is going to freeze, yeah, anything is going to happen, yeah, any messages are coming here, we will see live here. It has started to access the data, but here unfortunately it's saying that was lost erase, enter the applied in password that's were used to set up this device. We don't know, and I assure you, of course, I will show you the clue by directly we would transfer by virtue of iTunes Apple ID and password new, that will be your, and without going in a manually operations, directly we will go inside and we will operate this device, whole things. So you will have to watch till the end of this tutorials. This is a console, and of course crash analysis as well as time logs, means these are all things we will have to clear. Either data is returning in the cloud database, Apple database, of course everything we will clear, and once again we will come with a new firmware that should be a beta version. So here we will open a special 3U tool, do a step by step similar steps. Connect your data cable, and there should be no SIM card, especially inside. Yes, firstly we will open iTunes, we will have the good configuration by virtue of iTunes, and that what's the error is coming. Here it has been connected, so just we will click on a toolbox. There is option crash analysis, just to see, I think is it visible swans. We'll go for the inside of this and we will delete all the SP data. Then once again, of course, we will back and we will now see here after refreshing there is no data, so that we can delete. So now second things, of course, we have options time log. Just we will click and we will clear all, at least 10 times we will have to clear these time logs. So almost we have, see here, almost we have cleared. So yes, we will go for here. Now we will go for, just let it clear, make it pass, we will clear. Now we will continue here, just we will go for OK, and the phone, of course, we will clear. Now once again third times we will have to open especially, that is especially Imaging PC. Let's open here. In Imaging PC we can see here, yes, one device has been connected finally. Of course we will go within trial mode. In trial mode we have a especially show device console, means whatever the data especially in a cloud database server, of course we will clear. So at least 20 times we will have to clear, guys. So yes, we will clear. Now see here, of course we will now 1 to 2 times, and this will be verification fines. Now of course once again we will clear. Now on the other hand, what we will do here, just we have REC mode, here this ones, of course we will come here, let's clearing. So now see, almost it has been cleared. This device has been rest in DFU mode, so that we can close these iTunes, not required. Yes, we can close this, especially Imaging PC, not required hands. Yes, we will close it. Now we will click on a smart flash. Here we will go for latest beta version. So here is a 26 points here. All the beta version series is given here. Anyone out of them, of course, you can approach. But in my opinion, approach a beta version of 26.0 beta 3 if you are using above the 10x device, especially, or you are unlocking. So we will have this ones. Now see here, 83Z 13.2, this version Either we can download, we can import also. We will prefer to the imports guys here, so because we don't have much more times to especially download complete versions, so that's why I had already downloaded. So 13.2, 26, 84Z, just we will go for here. So 30.2, 80.5, and this is a 13.2, 13.3 especially. Now here we can see 26 something FZ here is a givens. We don't have a latest version of this ones. Here is a especially we can see 13 points here, 13 points especially M2, and this is a 76G. That's one. So of course here I would like to show you how do you import it. Of course I would like to see just it has already imported. So how would I just will select these ones? It has been already imported here. Just 13.2, this is imported version, so I had already imported here. Fines, we will go for refresh. Now we will pick here 13.2, so that has been imported here. Directly you can import. Now we'll go for approach this quick flash mode. Don't select the retain user data, don't select the anti-recovery, don't select the fixed flash, just we will go with this, especially this one, and let's hit this ones. Or directly you can here also if we once, and then of course directly we can import by clicking here. So already imported, so just let's show time. See, if you are sure, then of course you can if the battery backup is inside more than 50%, then don't select. Otherwise, if you would like to fix it, if the battery is a drain, then of course you can fix this one also and go with this visual assembly strategy. Now see, it has been raised on 11 and 14%, and let's see further what kind of the error is coming. Of course, so together we will address it. Sometimes it will ask you the manually, of course, push device into the recovery or DFU. So if it will demand, then of course we will fix it. Those things also, don't worry. Yes, I had already downloaded that 26.02 beta versions, not a 3 beta version. That's why actually I imported that things. Yes, 26 iOS series, any beta version you can approach and you can go for. So now it has been reached on a 34%, means it has been confessed configuration, it has been accepted in Apple data or cloud database server, that now there is no any error. So it's asking the device battery should be especially press the volumes here. See, battery record should have been cleared, please manually force this device into the. So I had elected especially. Now see, I would like to show you the clue here. I had elected what fixation battery, so that's why it's asking some these ones that manually we will have to push this device into the recovery. So how would I do that? See here, once again, up volume, down volume, and keep holding this till it's not going DFU modes. Up, down, holding, keep holding on off key till it's not going DFU mode. So keep holding, keep holding, keep holding, keep holding, guys. This is a trick that it's asking. So now we can leave it, no problem at all. Now automatically this device will restart, and of course it will get it once again. So it happens, it will demand you when battery draining problem is also on any old iPhones, and that is coming at your source too, especially the locks, then you will have to put this device manually once again, and then it will go for. So now see, it has once again taken. So this kind of the things can be happens, don't worry guys. Yeah, I don't know the especially the visuality is coming clear or not on this camera, but of course everything is in front of you. Let's see further what's going to happen. Now once again on 18%, 19%, so from 34% to directly in descending order cam, and once again it has been raised. So let's see what's going to happen the further. Now once again we are on a 34%, guys, and don't look on the especially screen, look at on here, so that it has started to initiate further to install the new firmware on the here. Now 2-3 crucial steps that we will execute at the end of this tutorial, and of course without touching on this particular device everything will be especially erased, completely wiped out, and as a new one we can operate it. And one thing also, without touching on this device I will transfer new Apple ID and password also on it, don't worry guys. So during the flashing device your device may restart the multiple times, so don't worry. Second thing is that it will jump from ascending order or it can in descending order also, so don't worry, according to the server it will. Don't disconnect the internet connection, otherwise of course it will give you error. And the fourth one, that use original data cables. If original data cable you will have, then of course there will be no chances to have any error. Now directly we have the rest on 50%. Now further we will see here, don't worry. Now further we will see what kind of the error is coming, and then of course we will try to fix it, don't worry. Only one the 2-3 crucial steps that we will execute at the end of this tutorial, that's very crucial and important, especially a step. If you are a professional unlocker for mobile devices and iPhones, then watch carefully, you will be a veterans to wipe out and locks by free of course without having any chargeable application or tools or software. It's a totally free, all the tools you need. Then of course right here, yes we want link, yes I want links, then of course I will give you in description box and all the tools. One is requirements is a simple, that is a 3U tool, iTunes, and third is Imaging PC. These all tools are totally free. Imaging PC is a fair version, but of course you can use a trial mode, and of course there is a given this feature permission by free of course that we can clear. Because why it has a given, because you are going to clear your data, that's all. So you are going to erase your data, so no problem at all. So on behalf of especially Imaging PC, that's why it's given this feature. So if I conclude yet, then of course I had cleared Apple database server by virtue of especially the crash analysis data deleting, and second things that time logs, and the third is that I had cleared also cloud database server that was retaining on this device. Yes, this is old one series, so but above the 10x. Apply on any, either it is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, Pro Max, on all the device have of that. And if you are going to apply with especially beta version 26, then go with blindly, of course this device will be unlocked permanently. Now I am waiting, more than 70% we have completed on the screen. We can see here only one says especially it's showing that 57%. Don't trust on it. Yes, we will look on the physical body of the process on this screens of device. So almost we have done. Just 5 minutes we will take more, because 13 minutes we spent here, then of course 5 to 7 minutes we will complete the whole procedure. So let's wait. Data cable is in front of you, everything. So I'm not going to edit any parts guys, directly we will upload, so we don't have much more time. So maybe this is an informative tutorial, that's why I decided to especially the flow. So of course you can watch and do a step by step. Any confusion you will have, then blindly raise the query below the comment box. Of course I would reply in course of times, everyone. Now still I am waiting to the completes, because don't disconnect in the midst of it till it's not notifying the any error, especially by virtue of 3U tool guys. All the tools, driver, the closet, except 3U tool. Why so? Because yes, loading on your PC of course will be not much more, so that it will give you fast installations, this whole things and whole procedure quickly you can complete. So now still on 80% we have done, but it is still on a 58. Now 68 has the rest, no problem at all. 61% is fine, it's going, but slowly, don't worry. And any kind of the confusion query, then of course please watch carefully again and then see step by step. Everything is in front of you guys here. From my side, especially from my side, I attempted too much to convince you, but I don't know, actually you are not getting having the problem with the language, communication or anything or accents, and then I don't know actually how can I convince. But of course you can raise the query in your own language. Of course I will translate and I will reply to you, don't worry. All the tools, download link I will give you in the description box. Just you will have to mention the comment, drop the comment. Everyone who wants to have the more clarification on these tutorials, almost 60 minutes we have completed, but yes, 90% is we have completed almost. Look at on the physical of device that. We can see here guys, data cable is in front of you, fine. This has been connected from the PC, and of course if you are doing these things, then try to download firstly this iOS. Otherwise of course it's a total size of approximately 9 GB, so data internet connection in the data balance will be a sufficient. Otherwise you will have the problem, because 3U tool is the functioning only on a cloud data and Apple database server. So that's why if there will be any configuration problem or server problem, then you will get an error. So that's why actually. Now 17 minutes almost we have completed. Still I am waiting for notification any error. Still it's not any error. Let's see, we will have to wait further for 5 minutes, don't worry. What we can here guys, don't do anything, space and counts, just wait and watch guys, and we cannot do anything else. But of course once again I repeat that while the flashings, just be patient, of course maintain the consistency to wait here guys. Why I am telling so, because during the flashing of course maybe your device restart multiple times. So now see here, fixation, congratulations, clean flash, and fixing of the battery health has been successful. So now if your iPhone's batteries are draining in that condition also, you can fix it. Now we will come to toolbox. We will have to wait for here just to see batch activations. These things we will have to wait. When it will be highlighted, then we will use to skip the whole the setting region, language, location, Face ID, Touch ID, Apple ID of course, and Cloud ID, everything. So we will skip it and we will see live here how it is possible. If any error will comes, then of course we will address that issue also. We will try to fix it also, don't worry. So now it has notified that it has been highlighted files. We will connect this one, and here is a select all, and we will hit this one quickly. So within 20 seconds of course we will try to use it. Now see, it has started to activating and skipping the whole the setups, and we will see here any error will comes, then quickly we will change the internet connections, and thereupon once again we will execute it. However error is coming, so then we will disconnect the data cable, once again connect, and thereupon once again we will execute. However error will come, so then of course we will use the virtual private networks to customize the precise location of IP address, especially particular these laptops, PC, computer, because of it's very essential. Sometimes this phone was purchased in Hong Kong. It means of course we will have to customize the precise location of the Hong Kong systems, especially so that in a cloud data configuration and Apple data configuration will be confessed easily that there is no any precise location problem or navigation problem. So that's why now still I am waiting to have the any error. Then I will show you live here that how do you, if any error, I'm waiting for any kind of the error, then quickly I will, because there should be an internet connection, hotspot or any another. Now see, here is not required because it has given the green sign both on there. So we'll go for OK and the response. Now here is the options, deactivation step, click on here. select this one, we will go for a start. So here is asking for 10 seconds. We will have to wait for 10 seconds, guys. Here let's highlight it, and I think it is totally clear. Now it's asking, so it has been highlighted, so execute these things. This one also completed, so I have completed everything from my side, guys. Now yes, now we will once again give the configuration by virtue of iTunes that what error is coming, especially on iTunes. Let's see. Yes, let's open iTunes. I don't know, iTunes is not opening, guys. Here see, iTunes has been completely crashed because of these things. What we can here, guys. Now see, iTunes is not opening here. I don't know, it has been crashed now. What we can here, then we cannot go for repair right now, maybe without having the iTunes. So let's see, otherwise we will have to start the whole system, then it will works. Without having the special iTunes, let's see, we will check it out. That see here what happens with iTunes. iTunes is not opening right now, guys. Here maybe something errors happens, especially no problem at all. So without having iTunes, also I have the clue. You see here it's still locked to owner is the things. Fine, we'll go for here. Fine, of course. See here it's closed. I don't know, just we will select the language, we will go for here. See, I don't know, maybe especially something error is having also, especially on this device. What we can here, guys, see, now it's a camera once again. Yes, we will go for here. Now we will go for here, select the country. Now it's a change that yes, we will wait here. Just we will go for select the language, we'll go for select the country, and let's see. And of course we will wait here. What we can here, so we don't have any options, so just we will go for here. Just now it's stucking again and again. We will go for here. Let's have the large size so that it will be more visible. Now yes, we will go for continue, and of course here looking for especially something. See here, I don't know, just we'll have to here wait, give the configurations. Once again we will go for here on a toolbox. Let's hit this ones because it was done successfully. We are ready for any error will come, so then of course execution of these things, because it's looking something device etc. I don't know, just we will go for without of that one. So first we are going for a special customize. Let's see. Yes, we will go for here, we will go for here, and here is asking so that yes, Wi-Fi. So let's see, hits this ones once again. Now guys, we will have to especially give the good configuration by virtue of iTunes, but iTunes is having errors. What we can here, see. Now we can see here this both side has been given especially a good signal, but here is having a special error on iTunes has been the crash. So in that conditions, if iTunes has been the crash, then we will have to restart, and once again we will go for approach this iTunes. So let's see, restart, and we will select the language here, then we will wait here just to see here it's stucking again and again. I don't know why it's happened this kind of the problem, guys. I don't know. Let's see. Yes, we will wait here, we will wait, and we'll go for here. See, now gone, guys, automatically signal has given, so without having the internet connection. Now see, so here sometimes of course due to network carrier or anything, so especially see guys, it has gone. Now if I go the inside of that and we will click on here toward the sign in, it's asking so that connect to the internet to sign into your device. So now see here, connect to the internet or the sign into your device. What do you say here? I don't know is it visible or not, but of course you can watch it here. Now we will go for connect, especially this iTunes. So just we will go for login my computer. Now see here, we are here. When your iTunes has been crashed, then that condition, of course, we will approach here to open once again iTunes. So now this iTunes will be a functional, I think. Now see, it has functional. Here is a connect to the internet to shine into your device. So we can see this ones. Of course, I would like to show you here closely. We can see here. I don't know, it is clear. Let me have, see. This device is a very clear, crystal clear, guys. See, yes, this is a very clear. So this is all about in this video tutorial. So once again, if I would like to show you here, see one thing more I would like to tell you here. If we see here screen passcode, face ID, touch ID, everything has been disabled. So now what you see, and the phone is also welcoming to that iTunes is welcoming now. So sometimes iTunes, it happens is because we have cleared, yes, all the especially cloud data, Apple data. So that's why especially there was having the problem in especially iTunes. Sometimes it will happen. Don't worry, not always. So we will come on here and we will back and we will check it out that how can I. Here is asking internet connection. So there is no internet connection. However, it has been totally on. So in that condition, we will go for, don't click on a continue, welcome to new one, just we will come on a sign in. Let's see, here is the creation options, just we will go for here and let's wait. Here is a permitting that after assessing a data that we can create a new Apple ID password by virtue of this or not. We can here now. Thanks God, just given here, guys. Yes, new Apple ID, write a password, confirms verify password, and upon select the country, and of course after selection the country, we can directly accept the term and condition, go for continue. This ID would be directly transferred. Insert the SIM card. If the SIM card is not working or functioning proper way in that conditions, once again I would like to tell you here, we'll come on a special M3U tool, and thereupon in 3U tool also I have the clue that to fix network error, of course, error, because sometimes especially of course you will have the network error or SIM card will be not functional. So if the SIM card is not going to functional, then of course we will once again come in a toolbox. We have the virtual location. We will come now on genuine location by hitting this one. So let's see, now this phone will be rebooted and it will come on a genuine location of this where you have unlocks. This is all about, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. For the main inquiry, of course, blindly, please, pleasure would be mine to reply to everyone, guys. Thank you very much indeed. And see, this is without doing a jailbreak. So of course, this device will not stuck once again on iCloud activation logs. Sometimes this is a technical issue, so directly 3U tool, yeah, sometimes of course iTunes will be a crash. So don't worry, we will have to make it. If iTunes is going to freeze, then simply we will have to close this iTunes here by giving the option is given on a 3U tool. So this is all about, guys. Thank you. How to like this tutorial? Leave the feedbacks below the comment box. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.